Love it or hate it, artificial intelligence has firmly planted its roots in our world, and there's no turning back. While numerous people celebrate AI's advantages, a chorus of voices grows louder, warning of its potential perils. These concerns are gaining traction as AI's impact becomes undeniable, evident in the stark reality of approximately 4,000 jobs lost in May alone. A recent report by a global HR firm has unveiled alarming data indicating that artificial intelligence was responsible for causing about 4,000 job layoffs in May. This significant figure is a reason for it as it highlights the impact of AI in eliminating employment opportunities. Notably, these job cuts are not restricted to one or two industries, but cut across various sectors. For instance, IBM announced the reduction of 6,800 positions, CBS News dismissed 2 copywriters, and media company CNET laid off reporters, with artificial intelligence taking over the task of writing articles. Welcome. This is Rain Smith, and you're watching the New Africa channel. A recently published report by the World Economic Forum has highlighted that a significant 25% of jobs will experience adverse effects in the coming 5 years. This worrisome projection aligns with the findings of a study conducted by Goldman Sachs, an investment bank based in New York City, which predicts that the rapid and widespread adoption of AI will impact a staggering 300 million jobs globally. The fast-growing trends of artificial intelligence, digitization, renewable energy, and supply chain reshoring will bring about a critical shift in the global labor market. The WEF predicts a new era of turbulence, as many workers won't have the requisite skills to keep up with the changes. Those with a technology, data analytics, or cybersecurity background will benefit in a new environment. The report identifies 46 administrative tasks and 44 legal tasks as the most vulnerable to AI's encroachment, while physical occupations such as construction or maintenance appear to be the least affected. The consequences of this powerful yet disruptive technology are becoming increasingly apparent, extending beyond the realm of employment to affect businesses as well. One industry feeling the impact of AI is online education. As people seek alternatives to paying for online lessons, AI has emerged as a viable solution. This shift has had tangible consequences for companies operating in the online learning space. Notably, shares of the online learning company Chegg plummeted after being among the first organizations to acknowledge the influence of AI on its business model. Recognizing that students were turning to OpenAI's ChatGPT for assistance. The company's financial situation took a significant blow, with its shares plummeting nearly 50%. Similar to other transformative technologies, artificial intelligence has the potential to create new job prospects. Surprisingly, around 60% of the jobs existing today were non-existent in 1940, highlighting the constantly evolving nature of the job market. It is essential to recognize that current assessments regarding the impact of AI are speculative, as the future course of this technology remains uncertain. On a positive note, Goldman Sachs argues that automation fosters innovation, leading to the emergence of novel employment opportunities. Companies can also benefit from cost savings facilitated by AI, allowing them to allocate resources toward business development and expansion. Ultimately, these advancements have the potential to contribute to a remarkable 7% increase in the global GDP annually. Amidst these apprehensions and anxieties, history has shown that every wave of technological transformation has ultimately created more jobs than it displaced. As specific tasks become automated, becoming more efficient and cost-effective, there arises a greater need for human workers to fulfill the remaining functions in the process that haven't been automated. Moreover, with the advent of AI-driven job opportunities, those individuals who possess a high level of technological proficiency and adaptability are poised to reap the greatest benefits. What are your thoughts on AI? And are the risks of AI greater than the rewards? Let us know in the comments section. Be sure to like the video, comment, share, and subscribe to the New Africa channel for more exciting future videos.